Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Adobe XD tutorial how to move around. So as example, I will create new file. You can choose the iPhone Pro Max as example. And the next, I will create the rectangle in it. Also a circle and then a triangle. Now, if you want to move around this object, you can click at this icon, select, and then you can select the object. Like I will select the rectangle. You can click hold to move around like this. I will select again this triangle, move into here, and then the circle, I will move into here. To resize, you can click at this point for text. You can resize the circle into ellipse, or you can resize these triangles more bigger, or you can resize this rectangle. Okay, that's it for a basic Adobe XD tutorial, how to move around. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.